Couple of days ago, we started to add some concrete to our new house's foundation, and there are 3 critical steps. You have to have a good quality concrete, you have to have the metal framing inside, and it's critical to vibrate the concrete. And for this reason, I picked the cheapest concrete vibrator which I have known as a brand. Using it, it's not very difficult, but if you purchase a longer one, a 3-meter one, you might need 2 persons who can use it. And basically you just put it in the concrete and leave it there to do his work. And if you see, here is the actual difference what it makes. As per the final result, it smooths out your final surface of concrete, and it helps your concrete to get together, and it is a single piece of concrete once it is hardened. So if you do some kind of work like that, I would really recommend to use any kind of vibrator. It's not specific for this brand. I just picked this one because that was the cheapest brand which I have known. And if you think this video was helpful for you by any mean, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. I wish you a great day.